Howdy, y'all. Welcome to HazeandBarrelCraftworks here on the Haze and Barrel Homestead and our humble whiskey room. I'm the Alchemist. Last week I did a little Jim Beam review, and this week I thought I'd head down a little bit of a Jim Beam rabbit hole. Jim Beam does a lot more than just the standard Jim Beam label. They've got other whiskeys like Knob Creek. So I thought this week I'd pull some Knob Creek off the whiskey wall. Start with a little Knob Creek 9-year. This is also a pretty approachable bourbon at about $40 a bottle. And it's got a little bit more age on it. Of course, Knob Creek 9-year says it all. Last week we did a Jim Beam 7-year. Add 2 more years to that with a 9-year age statement on this one. And we've got 100 proof on the Knob Creek 9. And that 100 to 110, that's my sweet spot. I also like them a little bit more than that. 120 is good too. Adds a little bit more flavor to them, in my opinion. So let's see what Knob Creek gives us. Pretty much the same mash bill that Jim Beam uses. High corn, a little bit of rye, a little bit of barley. We get a little slightly deeper caramel. A little bit of vanilla with it yet. And that comes through on the palate for you too. You get that caramel. Slight hint of vanilla. Yeah, that's good. Good $40 bottle, very approachable. Good one to keep on the shelf. As you can see, it gets used on the shelf here. Knob Creek. It's a good Jim Beam offering. Approachable at $40. At 100 proof. Easy to sip. Flavors come through nicely. There's even a little bit of spice in there too. I like that spice on this one. As always, folks, love to see you come back around. So please don't drink and drive. Cheers.